Over the past 10 years, the Georgetown Initiative on Gender Justice and Opportunity has centered marginalized girls in research, policy, and practice. We examine the root causes of race and gender disparities. We prioritize collaboration and partnerships across Georgetown campuses, and we develop solutions to the problems we've uncovered. In doing this work, we've made a commitment to recognizing the needs and strengths of girls in gender-expansive youth as unique and uplifting those needs as important. If our public systems are going to become places of learning, healing, and growth for girls instead of places where we're punished, research, law, and policy have to focus on girls and take action to make change happen.
So many people ask us, why girls? Why do you focus only on girls? And if we can change that question into the statement, of course girls, we will have accomplished everything we set out to do.
If I think of the 10 years of this work, a word that comes up is visibility. Thinking about the problems of girls in a world that's been so much about boys. It goes from an idea and it's grown and it's become nationally known.
We've held events with partners like the National Museum of Women in the Arts, and we've brought together experts in the field as well as girls themselves. Some of our work that has elicited the most significant response has been our focus on adultification bias.
I am incredibly grateful to the initiative for their report, Girlhood Interrupted. Often we talk about Black girls from the anecdotal lens, and that's critically important. We need to hear the voices of Black girls, and that's what the initiative does. It elevates those voices, but then it marries that narrative from Black girls who've been impacted with data and with qualitative and quantitative research.
The initiative's work over the past decade has been profoundly influential. It has influenced courts. It's been cited in opinions repeatedly. It's influenced scholarship. The amount of times its research has been cited in books and articles is incredibly striking. And in a way that is really stunning, it's also influenced popular discourse.
We were floored when our report was featured in Black AF and tweeted by Viola Davis. Nothing could be more gratifying and a signal that our work is reaching the general public and popular culture.
We saw adultification bias initiatives locally across the nation. We saw everywhere from, I think, like Delaware to California. We even saw one internationally in the UK.
Our hope is that our work is transformative, that it transforms how people may have looked at girls in the past, or even see them where they used to be invisible. And it can be transformative to girls themselves to know that they're seen. Maybe ironically, one of my goals is to become redundant. I look forward to the day when our work isn't necessary and where girls are treated equitably and seen and valued.
It's really a model of the kind of engaged scholarship that we encourage at Georgetown Law and is really at the heart of what we do. I applaud everybody involved in the initiative with what they've done over the past decade, and I can't wait to see what they do in the years ahead.
Having that experience at the initiative has made me a better lawyer because of it. I think I am able to take a broader view of what the impact is of different things that we do and think about the folks that maybe aren't necessarily at the table but should be, and the different barriers that they may face.
I'm excited for the initiative to continue to work to make schools a safer place for girls and to continue to give our public systems the resources and research that they need to create safer and healthier environments for girls of color.
I'm so proud. I just think everything that you've done is so fantastic. Gosh, let's think about the next 10 years.